Welcome to our newest features, the AI Hub, that includes AI agents, AI functions, and AI tasks. AI prompts we already covered in a separate video, but inside of this mini course, we will show you exactly how to build an AI agent, how to use AI functions, and how to use AI tasks in combination with the AI agents to provide additional value. So you will see how we are going to create an AI agent with just a few simple steps, even generating the entire prompt on the right hand side just by AI. Then you will see us create functions to perform certain additional features like fetching available time slot and also do the appointment booking with a third-party platform really easily within just a few steps. Then we will also use AI tasks to create a follow-up message for whenever a user becomes inactive to provide additional value and follow-up messages to re-engage the user with the AI agent. Last but not least, you will see how efficient it looks inside the Flow Builder within just one node that handles the entire conversation of the booking appointment scheduling. Then we will create an AI task to create a follow-up message for whenever a user becomes inactive, and then also send that follow-up message towards the user to re-engage with them to see if we can finish the booking appointment. If you are excited as we are for this great feature and you want to have some insights on how to create a booking appointment agent for yourself and for your business or that of your clients, then let's continue towards the next video where we will show you step by step on how to do this.